All right, welcome back to the channel, everyone. Hopefully you guys are having a great rest of your day, start to your day, whatever time it may be. And in this video, we're going for round 2. We're trying to do the first hard pulls on the new tune in my Procharged Shelby GT350. Last time I went out, I blew the charge pipe off the throttle body. Yep, throttle body came loose. You should be good today. You should be good today, hopefully. We got the Mickey Thompson ET Street SS tires on here. Third gear is a little bit more spicy. I have not done a second gear watt pull yet, so we'll see if the car is hooking up. I'm not 100% sure if it is, but I think we'll be good to go, man. Whew. You guys enjoy these hard pulls videos, drop a like in the vid, subscribe to the channel, turn on those post notifications. Let's get this started up and make our way to Mexico. All right. Fuck going on right there, but we getting the hell out of here. Let's make sure we got sport mode on. Advanced track. It's not as warm as the previous nights, which is good. Which is real good. We're gonna be doing a second gear hit and a third gear hit, and then potentially another second gear hit. Oh, what is that guy flashing at for? Like I said, a second gear hit, a third gear hit, and then potentially another second gear hit, depending on if we have the space. This car is insanely loud, ladies and gentlemen, but not too loud. But not too loud. I do a hit on this road just to warm the tires up, but past couple of days it has been kind of sketchy. There's been a lot of people just walking like on the side of the road, kind of you know, acting a little bit sketch. And also there's been quite a few federales. Somebody walking on the side of the road right over here. Well, not on the side of the road, but charge pipe does not come off because I stupidly forgot to bring my wrench with me.
A few moments later.
We're gonna do a test hit, third gear. Got my windows up a little, or roll down a little bit. It's not gonna matter too much. Warm up these tires real quick. Hopefully the charge pipe does not come off. Into it right there. It's definitely quicker, y'all. I'll tell you that. I will tell you that. It is definitely quicker. It is definitely quicker. It is definitely quicker. Like it kind of scared me a little bit. I was like, shit, because I'm so used to it feeling a different way. Like third gear is a lot more spicy. Lot more spicy. All right, so we're going to be doing a second gear hit very, very shortly, and then on our way back we might do another one, but again, it's going to depend on traffic. Whew. It's feeling good though, y'all, let me tell you that. Oh man. All right, y'all. We're clear from behind. Are we clear in the front? Please tell me we are. Oh, we are. Faster! Oh my god! Woo! Yeah, it's way faster now. Oh my god! It's hauling now. Woo! Oh my god! I kind of shifted at like 8,300 right there. Woo! That was the full beans right there, y'all. God dang. Yeah, she moving. This is on 90. This is 8 pounds. This is 8 pounds 93 octane. Oh, she moving. God. That felt great. Woo! My heart's pumping right now. I can't, man. E85 is going to be a riot. E85 is going to be an absolute riot. Like that second gear is fast, man. I was not prepared for that. It's quicker. Woo! It is definitely quicker. space, I'm gonna do another hit. I knew that third gear was hitting different. I was like, man, that second gear is about to be crazy. It's fucking quick. Just fucking moving now. Oh my, I don't know if y'all can see it like through the fucking GoPro. I'm sorry, I'm swearing, but y'all, it's fun right there, little. I don't know if y'all can see it through the GoPro, but it's turned up. That's all I gotta say. This car is turned up. Oh my god, it's turned up now. It is way, dude, that vacuum, I think it was the intake manifold the whole damn time, like 100%. Not the intake manifold. I think it was literally the charge pipe not being on all the way, because, or maybe it was just slightly backing out. I don't know, but, or maybe it's a new spicier tune. I mean, I didn't ask Rob if you know, if the tune was spicier. I didn't ask him for a spicier tune. I just asked him to go ahead and just take the CEL off when I did the what's it called, the IMRC deletes. So I don't know if this is a spicier tune, but this is feeling a lot it is feeling a lot faster than what it was. I mean, it's 85 out right now. The last time I did a draggy, it was like 78, I think. 76, 78. Oh my god. I mean, it's spinning a little bit too. I'm gonna need new tires. E85 is going to be a riot, bro. That's all I'm gonna say. Oh my god. This thing is ridiculously fast now. But not ridiculously fast. You know what I mean, man. I'm coming from a 2-valve Mustang. Granted, that 2-valve made 600th of tires, but this is hauling it. Oh my. Yes. All right, back at the regroup spot. Man, this thing is feeling nice, man, for real. I think that throttle body, not throttle body, I think the charge pipe too, technically the throttle body was the issue, man, for real. Now, car did spin pretty bad. It probably didn't show up on camera, but it got a little sideways. Whenever my skinny ass gets shifted in that Recaro seat, I know it's spinning. These Mickeys got over 10,000 miles on them. Had them on the car for over a year now. Literally had these tires on the car when I had it on the NA setup. Bolt-on E85. They're still on here. So I need to go ahead and swap those out for sure. I'm actually gonna be getting some new wheels, some 18-inch wheels. I'm probably gonna get some Mickeys again, but I do want to try out the Nitto R2s. But the Mickeys, I mean, they work. It's just that those tires are, they need to be replaced. You know what I'm saying? They got over 10,000 miles on them, over a year. They're not really supposed to be on a car that long, but it is what it is. Shoot. It's feeling great though, man. It's feeling great. Next step, E85 and more boost. But this is 8 pounds 93. I didn't drag you the car, but I really don't even care what it runs as far as 60 to 130 right now in this air. When I put it on E85, I'll drag it again, but E85, 12, 13 pounds of boost, I mean, it should be in the 5s. That's all I want. I don't want like a stupid fast car. I want something that, you know, is competitive enough to where if somebody were to pull up on the side of the road, I'm chilling. Or not on the side of the road, up next to me, you know, on the toll road or something like that. For the most part, I'm chilling. Unless they got a crazy setup, then that's dope too. But yeah, I'm about to head out of here because this gas station's getting packed up. But yeah, hope y'all enjoyed, man.